So this stunning card holder is, of course, Alexander McQueen, giveaway with that fantastic skull on the front in this beautiful dusky pink colour. The colour of the pink against the silver, I think, is fantastic. So it comes with, which way, opposite that way, box with Harrod's sticker on the front. Okay, so of course, a skull on the front. There's 5 card slots altogether. You've got 2 on the front there, 2 on the back, and then the central one there. And it's inside the centre that you've got Alexander McQueen, made in Italy. I don't know if that's going to focus. Maybe not, but it's just inside there. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous, fantastic little thing. Condition, the hardware is in excellent condition. The interior I've called very good condition. There's nothing wrong with that really. The exterior I've called good. There's nothing really wrong with it. You can just see that it's been used. There's a little bit of mark in the bottom corners. You see there, the dark marks. That's the only marks on it. I'll show you the back a bit closer so you can see. It's in good condition. I can just see that somebody has used it. But it's a fantastic colour, as I said. I think that pink with the silver is beautiful. And it's just really nice and easy to use. You know, in these days now where we don't really use cash for anything, it's basically when you go out, you take your phone and a couple of cards. So your phone and this card wallet is all you need to go out and have a fantastic time. I just think it's gorgeous. Obviously great for you, make a fabulous little gift. It comes with the box as well, which is always nice if you're gifting to somebody. So there's a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below this video, the link will take you through to this on the website, along with our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, etc. Once you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. It'll take you about 20 seconds to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page on our website. There's a little box, put your email address in there. We will immediately send you an email that you must verify, and then we'll immediately send you your discount code. If for any reason you don't get them sent through immediately, it's because they've gone into your spam folder because your security ward is too strong for us to get through. So check your spam and then add us to your address book, because if we send you discount codes in the future, you want them in your inbox, not in your spam. So add us to your address book and then it will definitely come through to you. Also, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel and set up your alerts, because we've got Armcandy coming in every day. So you want us to get in touch so that you can see the bags that we've got coming in. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram, I'd love it if you could come and join us on Insta and see what's going on. On Instagram, we have the bags that are coming in. But we also do on our Instagram stories a little sort of bit more of a behind the scenes to what's going on at Armcandy HQ. So if you're interested to know what's going on, you know, behind the scenes, click the link in the comments below to Insta and come and join us on Insta.